subscribe and turn notifications on.
Hey guys, my name is Ahmed Asif Rashid and I study in Sharjah American International School and I am in grade 7C. So today we're going to do something for our science fair project. It's called the electric generator and it works with kinetic energy and it doesn't use any batteries and it's so eco-friendly, and this was used in real life. It's just a model that we're making and you're going to see how it's done now.
So this is what we used: a board, 2 wires and a DC motor, tape ring, 2 DVDs, some plastic, a marker, electric tape and some pencils. And a rubber band. And some light bulbs. So what we did is we glued the 2 pencils to the ground of the board, and then we stuck the 2 plastics on the tips of the pencils, and then we made a sort of pulley that stuck to this tape ring and the 2 DVDs, and then it's attached to the pulley, and when the rubber band is rotating this, and then that will force the bulb to light up.
This is how it works. As you can see, the light bulb is lighting up right now, and please give this video a huge thumbs up and please click the subscribe button. And this video has been supervised by Mr. Mohammed Abu Ghanim, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.
Okay.
Our hypothesis was a success because our generator worked by kinetic energy, and by rolling the pulley, the light bulb lighted up, and our hypothesis was a success, as I said, and we tried many times and it finally worked. And this is our conclusion, and acknowledgements goes to my parents, my friend Rayan's parents, and everyone. Bye bye.
Wait. Why to see it? What good feeling? Look. This is our failed attempt of a generator. On.
So this is our conclusion. Our hypothesis was a success, and the electric generator did work by kinetic energy, and without that, our hypothesis.